first grade of elementary. She loves to draw, paint, sing, dance, and most of all to play with her friends. Her sports include artistic gymnastics and swimming. In fact, she is won a sport in Frascati last March. Someday she would like to be a doctor, artist, model, or a beauty queen.
Second grader at ICS at La Justiniana. She loved playing with her pet, hamster, namely Chips and Prosciutto, playing video games, painting, and reading books. She is also attending swimming and gymnastics as her sport. Her school teacher noted that she is very attentive. That is man.
And candidate number 4 is career Francesca Ganson. She is Kika to her loved ones and she's a comprensivo di art Kirby. She loves watching TV, playing games, attended. Candidate number 4, career Francesca Benson.
Attending Gigi Varietti School on her 7th grade. She loves studying and playing video games. Her sport is swimming. She won a marathon competition. One day, she would like to be a successful and wealthy and help her family. Once again, candidate
Ella Giacomelli, who is on her 4th grade in elementary. She likes to draw and paint, and she also loves doing DIY accessories from recyclable materials. Her sport is modern and classic dancing, and she won a gold medal for rhythmic gymnastics. Her ambition is to be a famous influencer and to participate in Miss Universe someday to represent the beauty of the Philippines. Once again,
Number 7 is Matea Isabel Hernandez. As well known to her family and friends as Thea. She is attending 3rd grade in elementary at primary school Instituto Ovidio. Her hobbies include dancing and singing. Her sport is swimming and she would like to become a good doctor someday. Candidate number 7, Matea Isabel Hernandez.
and our candidate number 8 is Kendra Denise Cabralda. To her friend, she is Kendra. She is on her 3rd grade at Monte Calvario School. She loves to eat, chatting with friends, and playing at the park with her friends. And she loves doing TikTok. Her sports include classic and modern dancing and swimming. Once joined the dance competition and won the 2nd place, and she would like to be a flight attendant. Candidate number 8, Kendra Denise Cabralda.
Candidate number 9 is 13, Paige Gabrielle Pachi. Her ambition is for kids clothing magazine of Norso Bruna, and she is also part of Kid Star and Teens Model in Rome. Her hobbies include watching TV, playing at the park, TikTok, dancing, and drawing. Her sports are rollerblading and tennis. Once again, candidate number...
Sana tama. Okay. So for the CREALEX Choice Award is Matea Isabel Hernandez. And our Creation Award, Francesca Benson. Popularity. So Miss Popularity goes to, hold on a second, I would like to inform you that Miss Popularity are coming from the first launch of introduction of photos through Facebook when it was first introduced. First introduced po ito. Hindi po ito yung counting para po sa kaalaman ng lahat. So the popularity award goes to Julia Carmela Evera. on the ground. So darling of the crowd goes to Francesca Vincent. Grabe na po ito. Okay. So I have in hand, or we have in hand already, the best in sportswear. One of the major awards. Sportswear. So best in sportswear. May I request, together with Miss Liway Ramilo, to please come up on stage, Mr. Kevin Piquera, to award our sportswear. And to give the plaque while Miss Liway Ramilo will be awarding the sash. Ang gwapo, oh. Ang gwapo, oh. So, the best in sportswear goes to candidate number 4, Daniel Francesca Vincent. Nakakatuwa talaga at talagang ang mga little kids feel na feel.
Yes! Grabe, ang init. Pero mas mainit ang pagrampa ng ating mga kandidatang kids. Di ba, ate?
Yes, at dahil dyan po, magbibigay na ulit tayo ng ating special award. Okay. So, hold on a second because since kanina po ang mga judges ay talagang nahirapan sa ating best in casual, we are to award first our best in casual. And we would like to call on once again if Miss Liway Ramilo is here. Miss Liway Ramilo.
Ayan na siya.
Miss Liway Ramilo, together with Miss Mishnikal. For our best in casual. We would like to inform you that best in casual is a part of our major category. Therefore, the best in casual is candidate number 4, Francesca Vincent. with our special awards. The special awards are the following: Miss Friendship, Miss
Punctual,
Miss Personality, and
best smile.
hold on a second. So, mainit pa po ba dito sa ating teatro? Are we ready already for Miss Friendship? Afterwards, we have Miss Punctual, Miss Personality, and Best Smile. There we go. We would like to let you know that the Miss Friendship has been voted by our dear candidates. Sila po ang pumili kung sino po ang pinaka gusto nilang maging kaibigan.
Tingin ko kasali ako doon. Gusto niyo ba ako maging kaibigan?
Gusto niyo maging kaibigan si Kuya
Parang ayaw
Jamil?
nila.
Ayaw nila sa'yo. Ang gusto nila si Kuya Cholo.
Oh my gosh, kasi nagbibini, nagpapantroping ko.
At dahil po dyan, Miss Friendship Awards goes to Miss Friendship Award goes to, once again, candidate number 4, Francesca Benzon. And may I ask, of course, Ran to award our May we ask Mr. Eman Peña to come up on stage to award our Miss Punctual. Mr. Eman Peña, if you are here, kindly proceed at the stage for our Miss Punctual. Ang Miss Punctual naman po, to let everyone know, na ito po ay ito pong batang ito ay never na-late sa mga practices. Siya po ang tinatawag nating Italian time. I think they know who is the Miss Punctual. Miss Punctual is Miss Kate Ilaw. May we request instead the presence of Kyle Ramos. Kyle Ramos to award Miss Personality. So Miss Personality Award goes to Miss Personality Award goes to candidate number 9, Paige Martinez. May we request once again now Mr. Steven Cantor to award our Best Smile. So Best Smile goes to candidate number 6, Manila Giacomelli. friendly, we would like to let you know that we have the second, first, and the winner. I am to call first the second place for eco-friendly. To be awarded by Miss Monette Kaadan. Ma'am, may we request your presence here on stage.
And our second place in Best in Eco-Friendly Costume is Paige Martinez.
And now I am to call on the first runner-up. Ma'am, may I request your presence once again? Ma'am Monette, please stay here on the stage. So, the first in eco-friendly. The first in eco-friendly is none other than Francesca Vincent! Monette, please stay once again. Our best in eco-friendly is none other than Mateo.
Best pose,
best in production, projection,
and best walk.
ayan. May I request also Karshina May Apostol to join our presenters. May I request once again Ms. Karshina May to join our presenters. our special awards. Jamil, ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
So, for Best Dress Award, presenters, are we ready? Miss Karshina May. For our Best Dress Award, goes to Francine Kate Ilaw. Okay. And now, we have Best in Confidence. Ayan. Kung sino talaga ang very smart and witty at kayang-kayang dalahin ang kanyang sarili. Parang si Jamil. Best in Confidence goes to Kendra Denise Kayanan. And we have Best in Projection. Best in Projection goes to Karil Francesca Benson. We have the best pose. Ay, ikaw? Best pose goes to Angel de Guzman. Candidate number 7, Matea Isabel Hernandez. The next candidate that we are to call candidate number 9, Jervin Page Martinez. Okay. So before that, may I ask our organizers, may I request Diamond, please transfer it on the other part of the stage. And for our next award, ayan. So this one, major award po ulit ang tatawagin natin. Pero, itong major award na to, kailan to nangyari?
Noong last time sa ating
Alae Restaurant.
Restaurant.
So I am to call on the best in talent. May I request also here on stage, Miss Jasmine Ramilo. Miss Jasmine, please come up on the stage to award our best in talent. So the best in talent po, we have 3 winners again. The second, the first, and the grand winner for the best in talent. So I am to call first the second runner-up for Miss Talent. Candidate number 5, Julia Evora. The first runner-up for talent. Candidate number 8, Kendra Denise Cabralda. Of course, to award our Best in Talent winner, may I request also Miss Leroy Ramelo to assist our Best in Talent 2016, Miss Jasmine Ramilo, to award the sash and the plaque. For our Best in Talent. Pero, bago po yan, ipakita muna natin ang video ng naganap na Best in Talent. Na-joke nyo kami din. Pero sige na nga, tawagin na nga natin. The Best in Talent goes to candidate number 4, Karel Francesca Gonzal.
And to award our second runner-up, Ms. Maldita Faye, Yang Katachugin son, Mr. Kevin Fiquera, and Mr. Creus Maku. And the winner for the second runner-up again will receive a cash prize, teddy bear bouquet, trophy sash, and a crown. Okay, second runner-up. Second runner-up is none other than candidate number... Sino ba? Tense lahat. Second runner-up is candidate number 4, Karil Francesca Gonzalez. This is what's going to happen. Okay. Yes, to award the first runner-up is Jasmine Altea Ramilo. And of course, the winner will crowned by former Little Miss Bachelorette, Cristel Arayata. Ganito po ang gagawin natin. The first name or number that we are going to call will be the Little Miss Bachelorette 2024. Automatically, the other candidate will be the first runner-up. Okay? Maliwanag po. Again, the first name that we are going to call will be the Little Miss Bachelorette 2024, and automatically, the other candidate will be the first runner-up. Okay? Okay, mano ng lamano. Mano kung lamano. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come. Little Miss Bachelorette 2024